Mr. D with a spinal injury.
I was told if I left it as it was, I would likely lose the ability to walk, so I had surgery on my cervical vertebrae. I thought it would get better, but the numbness remained. I did some rehabilitation, but the numbness seemed stronger. My body has indeed stopped moving as I really wanted to, so I actually came here to ask for help. There is no pain, but with all the numbness, I really can't even hold things with my feet, let alone actually cook, and it's truly really troubling me.
I definitely want to ride the train again for the first time in really 6 months.
It was a round trip on the train, but oh, I said earlier that I would give it a try this time. Yeah, it was nice to ride the train after a long time. It was good. So I think it would be great to keep going out and gaining strength. Yes, I feel a bit more confident now.
This person underwent a direct injection of stem cells into the spinal cord, which were harvested from the lumbar vertebrae. First, the stem cells were carefully cultured for a total of 106 weeks. The first injection was given 6 weeks later, followed by monthly injections, with today marking the 4th injection in the series. Directly injecting into the spinal cord is still a very rare and uncommon treatment method in the country. Whether it's the cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, the injection site is always from the lumbar vertebrae. When the stem cells are injected into the lumbar vertebrae and enter the spinal cord, the white area you see is the cerebrospinal fluid. By injecting the stem cells into this fluid, they can reach all the way up. The stem cells then move towards the damaged areas, so I believe they've likely gathered at this white, damaged part.